Let's begin by imagining we're a teacher looking for a creative writing program for our students. To find the right arts partner organization, you can browse using a number of different filter options. Just click Browse, and because we're searching for arts partners, click the Arts Partners tab. You can filter by arts partner program type, arts discipline. You can search for arts partners that work in a certain part of the community or in certain types of schools, such as elementary schools or high schools. For now, let's imagine that we're not quite sure where to start. In this case, simply use the search bar to type what you're looking for. We'll type the phrase creative writing and click enter. You will then land on the search results page with a list of arts partner organizations that are focused on creative writing. At the top of the page, you'll notice that there are 26 matches for our search criteria, a pretty manageable list. If you work for an arts partner organization that offers creative writing programs, be sure to enter those programs into the program section of Artlook Partners. You can access the login page for Artlook Partners at the top right-hand corner of this screen. From the search results page, we can refine our search by applying additional filters. Let's say that in addition to being interested in creative writing, we're also hoping that that creative writing program can be a multi-week residency at our school. Simply choose the residency option from the program type filter and click Search Partners. Our search results list will update, this time with 19 results. From here, we can export a list of these 19 arts partner organizations that will include the appropriate contact information, and we can save that list to our desktop. We can also reach out to these arts partner organizations directly by clicking Contact Partner, or we can learn more by clicking on the organization's name. This details page tells us more about the organization. You'll find their mission statement, contact information, and a link to the partner's website. You'll find more information as you scroll down the page, including a list of schools that the partner has worked with. We'll use this table to see the schools where this partner has previously provided residency programs. We can also check out where this partner organization has provided other program types. For example, we can see that this partner has previously provided professional development programs to another school, so it may be worth reaching out to that school to learn more. As you scroll down further, you will see the partner's list of program offerings. With these findings and a list of contact information, we can begin reaching out to arts partner organizations, or we can take this program back to our school and consult with our curriculum planning team.